What is the average electrician salary in Slovakia? On average, an electrician in Slovakia earns around 24,100 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary before taxes. But after tax, your take-home pay drops to $18,400 per year, which leaves you with roughly $1,533 each month. You will bring home noticeably more if you work in Bratislava, where the city salary after tax adds up to $21,700. But higher rent and everyday costs outside the capital often balance out that difference. While new workers start well below this level, electrician wages go up quickly during your first few years, before hitting a plateau unless you step into a supervisor role. On top of that, getting a university degree or formal qualifications improves your baseline electrician income, and this extra education opens doors to higher paying positions like electrical engineer or project manager. That is why master-level skills and specialized certifications allow you to command a substantially higher electrician pay over time.